What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as DGB to Bitcoin. We will also be checking out the current coin market cap, and I will be explaining my recent buy-in to Litecoin. Otherwise, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up if you like the content. Giveaway is going to be at 10,000 subscribers. I believe we just broke 9,400. Otherwise, let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, before we begin, I just want to make an announcement. I apologize for these videos coming out so late today. I've been working my ass off at this exotic car rental company, and it's just becoming kind of difficult to figure out or make a schedule as towards when I can put out YouTube videos, but I will be putting out a video early tomorrow morning, so that is good. Once the schedule kind of gets set and we start to figure out a good, schedule going, then these videos will come out more frequently throughout the day, so don't worry about that. But a way to give back to you, I will be doing another giveaway, guys, so definitely make sure to comment down below your Litecoin address as a way of giving back to you guys. So comment subscribed, or if you are a new subscriber, make sure you comment, subscribed, or if you're an old subscriber, comment, so I'm already subscribed. I don't know, just so I can keep a tally of who's new to the channel being added and who is already a, subscriber to the channel. And then it's going to be a Litecoin giveaway, so comment your Litecoin address in the description, and I will be giving that away at the end, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Otherwise, guys, let's jump right into today's episode. Now, I do want to mention that I am in the process of editing a video at the exotic car rental place, how exactly to pay with Bitcoin at this company, which is awesome. So you can actually rent a Lamborghini with Bitcoin. I'm going to throw a couple of videos, sneak peeks in right after this, and then we'll jump right into the technical analysis. But it's going to be super quick. It's pretty freaking awesome. The video is going to be out in the next couple of days, so definitely make sure to wait for that. All right, guys, so it's that simple. That was it. Bitcoin Lamborghini. Check out Cloud9 Exotics if you guys wanted to rent a Lamborghini with crypto. Otherwise, head on out. Otherwise, let's jump right into the current market cap. As you guys can see, market cap is up. We're at about $246 billion with a 24-hour volume of 75.3 billion and a Bitcoin dominance of 57.1%. So there are a couple of things to take note of. Number one, Bitcoin dominance is headed up, and we are seeing more volume increase into the market. And as I scroll down, you can see out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, all of them are in green, and they are all doing very, very, very good. And that is something to take note of. We did buy in yesterday. We put a buy-in order on eToro. For those of you who have me on Patreon, would be alerted prior to anyone else on YouTube seeing this. That's the whole main purpose of why I have the Patreon set up. So those of you who are really interested in learning and seeing when my buy orders come out and sell orders come out, you'll be the first people to know. That is the second link in the description. But as you guys can see, as this loads in, when I click on portfolio on eToro, which will be the first link in the description, you can see I just put a buy order in. We bought 112 tokens or units at $88.95. We're currently down only 0.39%, but I do anticipate the market to continue up. Otherwise, we will be dollar cost averaging this, so in case we do decide to pull back down lower, we will be ready to take that on. As you can see, I'm on the current Litecoin chart, and I do kind of want to describe to you what exactly is going on. So we put in a buy order pretty low, actually. I was anticipating to buy in at around $85 on Litecoin, but the issue is eToro is a little bit delayed, so put it in at 88, which is okay. It's no big deal. My point gets across, and you can see we're currently going up. We do have a resistance at $90, which we're currently battling right now, so I do think in the next couple of days we should be able to break past that and continue to trade up sideways. We may see tomorrow another day of consolidation around the prices that we're currently at, but we do have a dollar cost average happening right now. So we put in 10% right here. And if we do decide to retrace a little bit lower, let's say we pull all the way down to $80, we'll put another buy order in right here at another 10%, which means that if we bought in at $86 and we bought in at $80 and we put 10% into both areas, it'll drop our break-even point down to 83. So it'll pretty much be covered on the way up. If indeed we fall lower, this is always anticipating a potential retracement all the way down to our high-low middle moving averages. We will be buying in at around $73 in that region once we do decide to pull back lower. Now, like I said, all of this is available on my Patreon. It does help support the channel. I believe we're almost at 60 patrons right now on our goal to 100, so it's absolutely freaking awesome, and shout out to all you guys who are helping support the channel. Otherwise, moving on to Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is the interesting one. This is what we've been watching. This is pretty much the do-all, end-all for the cryptocurrency market, especially Litecoin. This was my biggest influence in terms of investing into Litecoin. So we did see a retracement back down to around $7,500 on Bitcoin, and it did push us down to around 62 on the RSI, which is a reasonable price to be buying in at. We were no longer overbought. We were no longer up at $8,200, which was the overbought line. So the retracement was necessary, and you can see we're pretty much pumping up pretty damn well. You know, from $7,450, we're currently at $7,900, almost breaking the $8,000 barrier once again. So when we saw this retracement back down, not only was Litecoin a good buy-in, but Bitcoin was as well. The only reason I bought into Litecoin is because Litecoin is lower on its RSI than Bitcoin was. Trading at 54 on the RSI gives us plenty of potential to move up higher. We're about neutral right now. So that is basically why I put into Litecoin. It gives us more room to move up to the upside, unlike Bitcoin. Bitcoin should have a shorter room to the upside because it's nearing overbought already. Moving on though to Ethereum. Ethereum is definitely a coin to check out, guys, mainly because we are trading in between the channel, and it does look so greatly like Bitcoin. You'll notice Bitcoin's chart right here is very similar to Ethereum's chart right here, which means they are trading, you know, like brothers. You can see these two cryptos right here. We have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Their charts look almost identical on the coin market cap, indicating, you know, that they're pretty much linked up right now, or synced in other words, which means that usually whatever's going to happen with Bitcoin will happen with Ethereum as well. You also notice both RSIs are damn near the same thing as well. So we are anticipating some sideways trading. That's truly what I'm looking to see within Ethereum. That doesn't mean we're going to trade out through this channel continuously like this until we hit this ascending triangle. We could potentially see a retracement down to this bottom uptrend right here, down to potentially 210. It could even fall down to 187, 190. You know, we are going to be watching this, and we will be waiting to buy into here. I think anywhere that Ethereum touches this uptrend is definitely a good buy-in zone, where we'll start to dollar cost average Ethereum, buying in at 10%. So if we see a pullback to here, anticipating a run to the upside where we have a resistance at 270, we'll be buying in down at this bottom at 202, and then riding the trade back up to 270, which will guarantee us around $70 per token that we buy, which is quite a bit of money if you ask me. Lastly, I want to just discuss Digibyte, and then we'll wrap things up for today's episode. You can see Digibyte is forming a ascending triangle as well. You'll notice we did find a bottom right here, and we did find a current support at around, this is 0.0000156 of a Bitcoin. But if we just zoom out right now, you'll see why these lines are drawn here and what their importance is. So you can see as we just shimmy our way back to the mid to end of 2017, you'll notice right now where these charts, or where these supports and resistances are actually coming into play. You'll notice we're having a lot of resistance up here, where we have the price bounce off here twice, and then we have a bottom support where we have 2 points of contact acting as another support for this coin. So we do have a lot of resistances and support lines to take into account. And the fact that we're currently retesting right now this top resistance is definitely an indicator that we were prepared to see. And if this does hold true, we should see another retracement to our, ascending triangle. We should start to follow this purple line up, eventually leading to our top resistance where this yellow line is drawn, which would nearly be around its high-low middle moving average. So we're really looking to see movement of this sort as we head up higher. So all in all, the markets are looking very nice. The consolidation was definitely needed. Bitcoin does have a little bit of wiggle room to continue to move up higher, so we are keeping a close eye on that in relevance to when we want to buy in again. As you can see, we were using eToro, and we are only, down by $17, so we're really not down by much. We would be up already if we bought in a little bit lower, but there is a delay on eToro, so that is the problem right now. But otherwise, guys, buying in at $85. We're currently trading at around $89. So that's about approximately $4 per coin that you buy into. So we look good all in all. Honestly, we're going to see some more consolidation within this coin. Litecoin truly does have more wiggle room to move up higher. I'm anticipating a potential move to around $96 before we see a retracement in Litecoin. So I am waiting to see that little hiccup or that little bump to the upside. Once we see that move to the upside, that's when I'll be selling off and then trying to figure out when my next buying opportunity for Litecoin happens. Otherwise, guys, that's going to sum up today's episode. Like I said, if you want to partake in the giveaway, make sure to comment subscribed if you're new to the channel, or current subscriber if you've already been subscribed to Crypto TV down below, as well as leave your Litecoin address. It's just my way of giving back and saying sorry for these videos coming out late. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, giveaway at 10K, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.